Hello, here is BB Walker. Welcome to my channel again. Today I will show you how to remove and replace the dust compartment in this iRobot Vacuum Mop Pro, whatever you call this model. Basically, any cleaning vacuum robot has a dust compartment. So basically, if it's not working well and if it doesn't clean up properly, you probably need to remove this dust compartment. So at the beginning it may be a little bit confusing, so I decided to make this quick video. Okay, so basically you are opening this lid here, and here is the dust compartment. To remove it, you squeeze it and open this part up. I will try to zoom a little bit. So basically this is how it looks. Of course, now it is after cleaning, so there is nothing wrong in here, but probably after 1 or 2 days of cleaning there will be a lot of trash in here. To open this lid, you do the following. The best thing is to locate those 2 marks in here, and using your thumbs you are pushing it. So here is the dust. So you remove everything in your trash can. And this is the filter, the HEPA filter, which could be also removed. I strongly recommend you to remove it each time you clean and remove dust. Why? Because there is a lot of super microscopic dust. So to remove it, you locate this part when this arrow shows. Use a finger to lift and it goes. Locate that. Please make sure or just notify that here are 2 stamps, notches, and here are 2. So to install it again, you do the opposite thing until it clicks. Okay, to clean it, I used to, just to tap it away. But also a good idea is to use a portable vacuum cleaner if you have to, to get all the micro dust. Of course, you need to replace these filters about 1 or 2 months. I used to wash it in hot water and wait until it completely dry. Here is also a pre-filter. It's maybe not seen, but it is also good to clean all of this. And after you have done, you install the filter again. Make sure to be, and you close this hatch and install the dust compartment. So you are doing it like this and press until it clicks. You close the lid. Hey, robot, do something. Woo! So thanks for watching. It was BB Walker. If you want to know more about this kind of vacuum robots, just let me know. See you later. Good luck.